Assalamu alaikum and welcome. If you have $8, please make sure to visit this awesome place in Toronto. Just get to the ferry station and head towards Central Island. I guarantee you that you cannot find these awesome views from city. Just come, spend a day or an hour and enjoy summer at its finest. So we are heading into Central Island and it's a very breathtaking view over here. The weather is nice and cloudy. So let's see different things to explore over here. So lovely day at the Central Island, and this is just before the main park. We have just stopped over here just to enjoy the scenic beauty. So from Toronto Island you get beautiful views of the CN Tower, and you can see there's some beautiful wildlife also over here. They're just walking randomly freely the way it's meant to be. Some nice areas to grill. So there's a nice cable car that we were not aware, and we have to check where it's coming from, where it's going. So it's quite unique. We need to definitely check it out. So right next to Carousel Cafe is this beautiful bridge that takes you to the last corner of the Central Island. We are enjoying every bit of it, starting with the amusement park, farm, and the last. Really excited to see what's across it. It must be a nice walkway and a beach and a good track for cyclists. So stay tuned. Let's go and have a look. So here's beautiful views from the bridge. I can see some people canoeing, some people walking, and some people taking the bike. So quite nice. Okay. So we've just crossed the bridge, and first impressions are quite nice. We seem to have a nice fountain. How the place is, it's really lovely. $8 is nothing for such a beautiful day. It's a very nice, beautiful water fountain just before we head to the beach, and some nice. So as we head towards the beach, we see some more beautiful nursery, roses, and it's a very well decorated place. Really adore every moment, subhanallah, of coming over here to Central Park. And so guys, we are now heading towards the other side of the bridge, and we have a lifeguard. So it looks like walking towards heaven, subhanallah. Very excited that we're going and exploring more of this lovely place. So guys, this place has to be one of the best places, hidden gems in Toronto. Again, the weather is just so lovely, and it's just great to see after the pandemic. So many people just hang out, chill. We see some some sort of like design, some nice gem, and some sort of travel directions where we can travel. So you can see the Central Island written down over here. Very unique the way it's presented. And right across this is the beautiful CN Tower. And you can see everyone enjoying this beautiful place and this campus over here. So welcome to the real beauty of Toronto. Subhanallah, one of the gems of Toronto, right across the CN Tower. guys, there's shower and changing rooms over here. So this is just next to the beach in Centerville. So you can also take a shower outside just after you're done with your nice swimming. It's quite nice and clean beach compared to the other beaches in Toronto. So definitely thumbs up from me. For going to the ferry is massive. So as you can see, the lines are endless. They keep on going. So if you guys plan on coming, make sure to have an escape plan. Most of these guys are also coming through the other water taxi. So it becomes very, very difficult